Hello and welcome back. We are on day 5 of our PC Building Simulator journey, and we've got a fix and an upgrade to do today. So let's pick up our deliveries first. We've got our Ryzen quad core and our Beast Radeon R9 290 Greater graphics cards. So we'll take delivery of those, and let's do the fix first. Replacing the CPU. Yeah. Oh, this case looks pretty cool. Don't forget the thermal paste, as Timbo would tell us, Uncle Tim. Right, so let's work on the PC. Let's open the panel. That's swizzy. Might just open and close that a bit. That's so cool. Anyway, let's not wear it out. Beauty panel. Not seen one of them before. Right, so we're going to need to remove the air cooler first, aren't we, to get into the CPU. Let's clean the CPU. Oh, actually, why are we cleaning it? We're going to replace it, aren't we? Anywho, that was pretty good. How do I stop cleaning? How do I stop cleaning? Ah, there we go. Let's remove the CPU, open up the little handle, remove the broken CPU, and let's go to install. Don't forget the thermal paste, as Uncle Tim would tell us. Don't forget it. What do I need? CPU. So that's used and broken. And this one is new. Let's pop that in. Let's close that. Let's apply the thermal paste. Sufficient paste applied. Fantastic. And then let's get the removed components, the Arctic freezer cooler back on. Yep, pop that on. And let's do a bit of cabling. Plug that in. Right. Fantastic. Let's close the case. Oops. Close the case. Let's, no! Put it back down. Oh, yeah, we need to do the cables. So that we can actually test this. Let's get that back in, graphics card back in, and let's power it up. See whether it can boot, and then we should be all done. CPU replacement successful. Fantastic. Power it off, exit, pick it up, send it back. Another happy customer. And then let's do the upgrade on the graphics card so that Megan can stop going on about her awesome graphics card, because we've got them an even more awesome one than they're expecting. So let's remove this side panel. We'll hold left click to remove the screws. And graphics card. So gonna need to remove the PCI lock. Unscrew it. Unscrew it. Fantastic. Let's unplug it. Remove the graphics card. Unscrew it from there. And then let's install graphics cards. Look at that, the 750 Ti gamer. She's going to absolutely love this. Install that. Screw it back in. Install. Remove components. The PCI lock, which we sometimes forget, but we're not going to forget this time. And then we're going to do a bit of cabling. Plug that in. And then let's get these bits and bobs plugged back in. Let's power it up. And then we'll put the case back on. Hopefully that's going to work. Omega system. Multitasking here. Look at this. Game over. It's on. Fantastic. Right, power it off. Exit that. Pick it up. And let her wow Megan with that. And we'll go back to the emails. I like the new desktop background. At least we can actually read what the things are now. Right, accepted. So new CPU needed. Collect. Yes, we're up to level 3. Labour 170, parts 140, so we made a profit of 245. Fantastic. Storefront unlocked. You can now renovate the storefront, allowing you to build and sell your own PCs. Check your email for details. Yes! Got the graphics card in there. 820 on the job. 10 XP, yeah. Profit 525, even though we bought her an amazing graphics card. Fantastic. Hey man, Gazza here. Just saw some sick PCs in the magazine. Do you think you can do me one in yellow? I'm all about the Chardonnay. Cheers, man. Gaz. Paint the case yellow. Don't customize the glass. We can do that. Power. Hello. I'm told you are newly available for computer hardware modifications. My name is Professor Edward Villet. You may not have heard of me, but don't worry. You soon will. Sounds like Dr. Evil. I've recently been experimenting with the use of neural network AIs to infiltrate and take control of complex computer systems, like, say, a satellite network, with very promising results. Sounds shady. Doing so requires a large amount of computing power. I find GPUs work very well. Sadly, my computer, borrowed from a government agency, was never built to sustain this level of power and desperately needs upgraded power supply. Assist me and you will be spared when I ascend to the rank of Supreme Ruler of Earth. Fail me, and well, let's just say I have a bathtub full of piranhas that I'd be glad to introduce you. All the best. Sounds creepy. Professor Evil. Professor Evil! Institute of Applied Villainy. 170 labour, 250 parts budget. Install the core reactor 650 or better. Right, we'll do that. Let's have a look in the shop. Power. What are the power-ups? Ooh, auto screw tools. Interesting. Anyway, power supplies for now. Is it that one? I'm not going all out for this dude. He's like threatening to introduce me to piranhas. A-Data XPG Core Reactor 650 or better. A-Data XPG Core Reactor 650 watts or better. That one then. Link it to that job. Check out. Next day for free. Fantastic. So that's him sorted. PC Building Simulator 2. Congratulations, you received level 3. We got loads of extra newbies on there. Why wait? Expand today. Sales at growyour.biz. Not suspicious at all. Dear valued potential client, we're excited to offer you a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to expand your working space and your business horizons. You've recently come up to our attention as a fast-growing local business with a new shop front that's just begging for a little renovation. That's what we were thinking. For just $500, we will completely overhaul your shop front so you can sell PCs as well as fixing them, opening up a whole new revenue stream. Best of all, we guarantee all work completed overnight. It's amazing. That's right, our team of hard-working engineers and overpay consultants will work from dusk till dawn to have your next new workspace ready the next day. Customer testimonials. I can't believe they were able to do this in just 8 hours. I gave them the keys and they unlocked the potential of my business. They overhauled my warehouse overnight and I didn't even hire them. Now that's efficiency. The offer is only available for a short time, so act fast. Grow your biz, because life's too short to wait. Well, we've got $2,331. Let's pay the $500. Your new storefront, congratulations, your new storefront is due to be built. When you leave for the day, the builds will move in and have your new shop ready for tomorrow morning. Fab. Fab, so we've done all our jobs for today. We can exit on that. Let's have a look at the calendar for tomorrow. We've got a delivery of parts, but those two things aren't arriving until Monday when we reopen, I'm guessing. I know we're open tomorrow. Oh, interesting, right, so we might not have a lot to do tomorrow then. At least the parts will be here before the computers. And the storefront, right, let's take one last look at the shabby storefronts. Look at this. Look at the mess. Everything must go. Look at how messy this is. At least we got a till. Just not got any money at the moment. Air duster. CDs. We need a lot of dusting around here, don't we? Well, from tomorrow, this will all be new. So that's fantastic, right? So we can click to end the day. We've got our deliveries tomorrow, and then we've got our new PCs, or our PCs to work on, arriving then. We've got the... Oh, we've got that arriving then as well. What's this? We've got 2 arriving. Oh dear. Why have we got a delivery of another Ryzen quad-core? Oh no, that was today! I get it. 14th's the day we're on, so 15th, 16th for short. 2 new PCs coming in, because we have Saturday and Sunday offs. Customizing, which is just the spray paint and the upgrade, and we've got the core reactor coming. So that's everything done for today. So that's it for us on day 5. We're up to level 3 now. Woohoo! And we're going to have a new shop from tomorrow. So we're looking forward to that. So hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PC Building Simulator 2 videos. And we shall see you back here tomorrow. Bye!